Good morning, student. From today, we are going to revise whatever we have learned. Okay. First, I have already started revising. So today topic is heavy and light, and far and near. Heavy means when we compare two things on the basis of their weight, it is heavy or light. Always remember, light go up and heavy comes down. Always remember this. Light thing always go up and heavy thing always comes down. Okay. So when we compare two things on the basis of their weight, it is called heavy or light. See this is one tree and it is one leaves. So tree is heavy or leaf? Obviously tree is heavy and leaf is very light. Okay, so tree weighs more than leaf, so it is heavy and this is light. Understand? See this plate. Its plate says see this plate. This plate has how many cookies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cookies. And see this plate. It has no cookies. It don't have any cookies in this plate. But this plate contains how many cookies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is nothing is there. So this one heavy or this one heavy? Obviously this one heavy. This is plate. Both are plate. Okay. But this is full with cookies and it has no cookies. So it weight more and it weight less. So it is heavy and this is light. Okay. Next is far or near. When two things compare on the basis of their distance, it is called far or near. Near means distance is less, and when distance is more, it is far. When distance is less, it is near, and when distance is more, it is far. When distance is less, it is near, and when distance is more, it is called far. Suppose this is tree. Suppose this is one tree. Okay. No, I will not draw this girl. This draw I have made so bad. Suppose one tree, this is tree and this is one bird. See the distance between the tree and the bird. Tree and the bird distance is very less. So it is near. What is this? This is near and see one more bird. It is, see the distance. See the distance is very too much distance from tree. It's too much distance from tree. So it is far. And their distance is very less. It is near. And distance, when the distance is more, it is far. It is near and it is far. What is this? This is near and this is far. Because according to their distance, you see, it is a tree and distance of this bird is less. So less distance, it is near to, this bird is near to the tree. And here the distance is very much distance is there. So this bird is far from the tree. What is this? This bird is far from the tree. Understand? When we compare two things on the basis of their weight, it is heavy. We will see heavy or light. Heavy always go up. No, sorry. Light always go up and heavy always go down. Okay. Likewise, this is far or near. When we compare two things on the basis of their distances, then it is called as far or near. See, this is tree and this is bird. See, the distance between the tree and the bird, it is so less distance. Less distance, this is near. This is near. And it is more distance, it is far. So we will say this bird is near to this tree and this bird is far from the tree. Okay? Understand? Now, I will discuss you. I have already discussed you bigger number and smaller numbers. Suppose the number is 1, 30, 4, 10. Which is the bigger number here? Which is the bigger number? You circle the bigger number. See, 1 is only 1. Then 4, 1, 0, 10. Number 3030 is here bigger number. Number 3030 is the bigger number. So we will circle this bigger number. Okay. And which is the smaller number? This one. 1 is the smaller number and 3030 is the bigger number. From bigger and smaller only you can do it, that greater than and less than. So, see the one more example. Here it is 5. We will write 5. Here it is 8. Here it is 12. And here it is 15. Okay. Which is the bigger one and which is the smaller one? How could you know the forward counting very well? You know the forward. As we go forward, number become bigger, bigger, bigger. Okay. Always remember, as we go forward in counting, the number become bigger, 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 bigger. 1 is very small. 2 is bigger than 1. And 3 is bigger than 1, 2. Then 4 is bigger. As we go the forward counting, the number become bigger. And when we come back, means when we come from backward counting, the number becomes smaller. So, according to forward counting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Up to 15 here is written. And 15 is the bigger number here. 15 is the bigger number here. Okay, 15 is the bigger number and 5 is the smaller number. Always remember, in forward counting, as we go forward, the number becomes smaller and smaller. No, it's wrong. As we go forward, the number becomes bigger. Why? Suppose I have 1 toffee and you have 10 toffees. So count the numbers. How many toffees you have? You have 10 toffees. I have only 1 toffee. So Like this only you can understand which is the bigger number and which is the smaller number. 1 is only 1 toffee. You have 10 toffees. 10 is more in number. So 10 is bigger number and 1 is smaller number. Understand? You just see the concept, bigger and smaller. As we go forward, the number become big, big, big. As we go forward counting, the number become big, big, big. If I have 10 toffees and you have 100 toffees, then 100 is bigger or 10 is bigger? 10 is smaller, 100 is bigger. So, as we go forward counting, the number become bigger. So, the number so the bigger number is 100 and smaller number is 10. One thing also remember, 100 has 2 zeros and 10 is only 1 zero. So, if you know the forward counting very well, you can do it bigger number and smaller number very easily. Very easily you can do it. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.